This is Brian from Ninja Transfers, and today we're going to show you how to add names and numbers in the Ninja Gangsheet Builder. First things first, select the Add Text tool on the left-hand side and it'll automatically add a text box to your builder. You'll then be able to customize the size and font of your text. For names on the back of a jersey, the standard height is 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Width is fully dependent on the length of the name. So as you can see here with Ryan and Christopher, the names are the same height, but the width changes because the length of each name is different. But if you keep the height the same, it'll keep your garments or jerseys consistent when pressing these names on them. You can also easily duplicate the text by clicking the duplicate button on the left-hand side of the builder, along with changing the color of each name. Now that we have some names to work with, let's add the numbers. The standard size for a full back jersey number is 8 inches in height. If you're pressing the numbers as a left chest, you want it to be about 4 inches in height. Once you type out the numbers 0 through 9, you can simply highlight all of them and hit duplicate until you're satisfied. Or you can just type out every number you need, like 11, 12, and 13 as you can see here. This makes the pressing process easier since you won't have to manually line up the 1 and the 2 for a number like 12. You can just print the number 12 so everything looks professional once pressed. And that's all there is to it. Adding names and numbers to the Ninja Gangsheet Builder is as simple as it gets. With just a few clicks, you can customize your sheets and get them ready for action.